For online and free 3D modeling program, firstly open your PC web browser and go to Search Motor. Type SketchUp into search box, enter sketchup.com web page. Click on the Profile button and the window will open right corner on your screen, then click Sign In button. After successful login to the page, then click Start Your Free Trial button center of the page. You will see For Personal Projects button as second button, and you will see SketchUp free windows right side of the page. You will use 3D Web Modeler. You will have 10 gigabits cloud storage and access to mobile viewer with this plan. Click Start Modeling button at bottom to free online modeling. 3D modeling page open finally. Let's open a new modeling page together. For that, firstly click this arrow button near to create new button. You will see the drawing units in a window. You can choose any button according to your project unit. I choose centimeters unit and started the project. Let's get to know our workspace together. There is a drawing tools bar on the left of the screen. There are many buttons here, such as line, square, rectangle drawing tool, tape measure, moving, scaling, and painting. Above the screen is the main menu bar. Here you can change the project name and save your project. You can access many more features. There is a menu right side of the screen. There are many settings and features here. You can organize your layers, you can change your textures, and you can change your scenes with this menu bar. There is a measurement box here. You can type distances while you are drawing anything. And there is a menu here too. This menu for hint about your drawing. You can see drawing area here. There are 3 axes here. Axes are blue axis, green axis, and red axis like X, Y, Z. We are at end of the first lesson. We going to drawing next lesson video. Like video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.